Pas de soleil, 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 pas de soleil.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. You know, Valentine's Day will soon be around the corner and I want to show you how to make a very delicious surf and turf dinner for the ones you love. And if you want to see how I make it, then keep watching. But before we get started, please don't forget to like this video, you guys. It will help my channel out a whole lot. Share it with everybody you know and don't forget to subscribe. Click on that notification bell just in case when I do drop a video, you will be the first to know, okay? So enough talking, let's go ahead and get cooking. Okay, so for the surf portion of this recipe, I'm going to use some shrimp. So I went to the store and I picked up a 12-ounce bag of extra large raw shrimp. And you can certainly use whatever seafood that you like, but today I just decided to use some shrimp because I really love it. So before I do anything, I'm going to take it over to the sink. I'm going to make sure that they're clean and deveined. And this is what they look like. And usually I take the tail off, but today I just decided to keep the tail. Now for the turf portion of my meal, I'm going to use some Angus New York strip steak. Now normally surf and turf is made with a beef steak, but of course you can pick whatever type of meat that you like. For that very special person, you can even use a filet mignon. How about that? But right now I'm just going to lay it on the plate, and before I do anything, I'm just going to take a paper towel and just pat them completely dry on both sides. And right now I'm just going to season them real good just with some sea salt and black pepper on both sides. Okay, so my steaks are nice and seasoned, and now I'm ready to take them over to the stove and cook them. So I have a cast iron skillet. I'm going to heat it at medium high, and I'm going to add some avocado oil and just spread it around just to make sure that the oil is even. And now I'm just going to lay both steaks in the hot pan for 3 to 4 minutes without touching them. I know it's tempting, but don't touch them. So after 4 minutes, I flipped over my steaks, and now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and now I'm going to take a spoon and just drizzle all that nice butter over the steaks, and this is what's going to make your steak taste so delicious. So after 3 minutes, I'm ready to take my steak out, but it really does depend on how well you like your meat to be cooked, rare, medium rare, or well done. It is all up to you. So now I'm going to let the steaks rest, and I'm going to cover it up with some foil so they can stay nice and juicy. So I'm ready to make the shrimp, and I drained a little bit of that excess oil and I kept the bits at the bottom of the pan, and now I'm going to melt 2 tablespoons of some butter. But before I cook them, I'm going to season them really quick with some sea salt and some black pepper and just give it a quick toss. So now I'm ready to add the shrimp to the hot pan, and make sure you space them out really good so they don't overlap. So now after 1 to 2 minutes of cooking, I'm ready to flip my shrimp over and cook them for another 1 to 2 minutes. Shrimp doesn't take very long to cook at all. Actually, when they turn pink, that's when you know that they're done. So while the shrimp is resting, I'm going to make a quick sauce. So I'm ready to add 3 chopped garlic cloves. And just give it a quick stir. And you know those bits at the bottom of the pan, that's going to create so much great flavor. But now I'm going to deglaze it by adding a half a cup of white wine, and the heat will definitely cook out the alcohol. And now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of some fresh lemon juice and just let it simmer until the sauce reduces. And now it's time to add the shrimp back into the sauce so it can soak up all that delicious flavor. And at the very end, I'm just going to sprinkle in some fresh chopped parsley. So dinner is served, you guys. The steak is cooked to perfection, and look how golden brown those shrimps look. So for this Valentine's Day, you guys, try making this surf and turf delicious dinner that not only is it easy to make, but is super easy on the wallet as opposed to going to an expensive restaurant. So I really hope you enjoyed, and I hope everybody have a wonderful Valentine's Day. But that is it, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with everybody you know, follow me, tag me on Instagram, take a picture, I would love to see it, and if you give this recipe a try, please comment down below and let me know what you think. Now wait, you guys, before you leave, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel by hitting that subscriber button down at the bottom. And if you want to see another video, go ahead and click that box you see over there. But until then, thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate you all, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye bye.